Hello guys, today I'm going to cook mung beans for lunch. These mung beans are going to be stir fried or sauteed. It's very simple, super cheap and healthy. I have some leftover sambal or Indonesian chili sauce that I'm going to use to add spiciness. If you don't like your mung beans to be spicy, it's up to you. Just pour the mung beans in the skillet. Set the stove on medium heat. About 2 minutes later, it will look like this. Pour some salt as you like. I prefer using sea salt rather than table salt because for me it tastes more savory. I split the mung beans for 2 plates, one for me and one for my husband. For my husband, I add an egg and scramble it with the mung beans to add more protein. One plate full of warm rice for my husband. I'm on diet, so I'm not eating rice today, maybe tomorrow. Let's eat and see you in the next one.